Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm here to guide you on how to log in to your Department of Health account on your web portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Department of Health. You can do this by typing Department of Health login. Click on Department of Health login under TAAM Abu Dhabi. Now you will be directed to sign in page of Department of Health. Here you can see sign in on the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in. Now you will be directed to sign in page of Department of Health account under TAAM of Abu Dhabi. You can directly sign in using your UAE pass. Click on sign in with UAE pass. If you do not have an account to Department of Health login under TAAM, click on sign up now and create your new account. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log into Department of Health account on the TAAM of Abu Dhabi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more